Subscribe to Software Testing Mentor channel, learn latest technologies in software testing, test automation, testing tools, and much more.
Hello friends, welcome to TestRail training. This is Manish, and in this tutorial we will learn about test runs in any TestRail project. So in prior tutorial we have learned how you can create test plan and then configurations within that test plan, and then in turn it will create like the test runs for you with multiple combinations. So in this tutorial we will learn how you can create a standalone test run and what's the significance of that test run. So I'm in the project at the moment, the default project, and here you will see that we have an option for milestone test runs and test cases. So you have looked at milestone test cases already. We'll see and we'll go and check what the test run is. So if you go to test runs and results, you have an option to do the test plan, and in that test plan we have seen that you can have like combination of supported browser or OS, or combination of multiple environment and applications, or if you want to create a separate test run you can do that as well. So I can directly go to the add test run and provide a name for that. So I can say um, functional sorry functional testing, and then if it is specific to any feature or you want to specify a particular cycle, then you can do that. Say for example you're following agile development methodology, then you can say functional testing of particular sprint. So say for example sprint 1, and then if that um, sprint is part of particular milestone. So for example it's a you have a milestone release in another 3 months, and all the sprints that you are doing or all the work that you are doing prior to those that release needs to be part of version 2. So you select that milestone as version 2, and then you assign that. Say for example who is responsible to execute those test cases. So you can do that assignment here for that whole run, or you can do it later as well. Provide the description. So I'll just leave that assignment. Provide the description, whatever description you want to use for this test run, and then you can include all the test cases in this test run, or you can specify some of the test cases. So if you select specific test cases, and then click on chain selection, it will list you all the test cases that are available at the moment in this project. So for example I want to select the checkout test cases and add items test cases. You just select those and click on OK. So it will include all those test cases in this test run, and click on add test run. And now you will see the test run has been added with the name functional testing sprint 1, and all the 6 test cases have been added to that test run. It will show you the structure, uh, the folder structure that you have used to specify your test cases, in terms of like section and subsection. That's also available in the right hand column here, and also it will show you the details in the right hand section. So if you select the test cases, it will pull out all the details accordingly. Once a person who is assigned these test cases starts executing the test cases, you can add results. You can like pass the test case and move to the next one, or you can assign it to another person if you want to. For example, you didn't do the assignment of the test cases and to a particular person, or there are many test cases that cannot be executed by one person in that sprint, then you do assignments separately later on by dividing the test cases within the team. So that is pretty much all about the test runs in TestRail. Hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.